You guys should have a few artifacts now.
I have 3.
We're gonna put on this one. You guys don't have it yet, I don't believe.
I have it.
This one?
Items are no longer random. Command.
Okay.
You have that one now?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the fucking best one by far. You guys see, when we take turns grabbing chests, because we still need money this time.
Oh, snaps! Oh.
Okay, so first thing I have to do is...
Can you only put on 1 artifact at a time?
Pardon?
Can you only put on 1 artifact at a time?
No, you can put them all on.
Okay.
You really want to try that though?
No, not yet.
When I get the last one, which I have to get, you know, the mushroom forest?
Okay.
I might have to get in my own time. Because you need to get a photon jetpack,
Yeah.
which you only unlock by doing the achievement. You know how we have the zones where... I don't know what it's called. You know, like the teleporter?
Yeah.
How we have like a second, we have like a few seconds time to do shit.
I found teleporter, by the way.
Oh, I came back for seconds, go.
Oh, it's not coming back anymore. Oh,
Okay, so guys, come with me. So, pay attention, right? Come down. Stand to the side. No, go across. So, when you go to buy a chest, that's one, this will appear.
Yeah.
Then you go into the... Like, you actually go into it and you choose your item that you want.
oh.
Everything is done with A. Like, logically, you think to press another button other than just accept. So there's a chest all the way on the right, guys, if you want one. Someone wants one. Like, next to... Just keep going right. You know where you fill in the hole now? That's just there. If you want it, then we'll give Kerl the next one. If there are any enemies there, just avoid them. Just run past them.
Yeah.
Will shrines be the same, or...?
Yeah, shrines are normal. But if you know, normally shrines normally drop an item. Shrines have a chance to drop
I don't know what to get.
whatever. Well, what color is it? Was it white, orange?
I'm slowly dying.
Just choose anything if you're dying. What color was it?
Oh, dead. Maybe next time.
No, because now you're fucked. Now you're gonna have so much trouble.
Start again, I guess. It's only
No,
2 minutes
just
in.
keep going.
No,
Oh man, I want to do this again because I want to double check the wiki for items.
So Nat, do you want to try to open the wiki as well?
I can't see it though. I'll try.
If you tell me what color chest, I'll tell you what to get because I know the stuff.
It was grey?
It was white.
White? Okay.
There's no grey, like the line.
Oh, okay.
It always looks grey with like what looks like an eye in the middle. They all look like that. The color of the lining determines the rarity of the item. So if it's a white rarity, see when you normally pick up an item, how it normally has the rarity color around it?
Yeah.
That's what that corresponds to. So if it gets a white box, it's a white level item, so it's a common item. It's the green, it's uncommon. Red is rare. And then white is like broken. And then there's the orange, which is the use items.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the sticky bomb.
Hmm.
See,
Let's
and you
try
can,
random
you
shit.
can also get items that you've never, those items you haven't unlocked yet, that cool. As an example, that item you get for unlocking the mercenary. Not the mercenary. Arms race. What's that?
It equips drones with explosive devices. I just picked one out of random there. It was a green one.
Lost drones. I don't know where the fuck this wisp is.
Oh my gosh.
Nah, you have a knife here. You can get.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna die.
Oh, okay.
Don't be like that. Believe in yourself. So you don't seem to be dead yet.
Oh, now another one. The force sharing thing is coming into play. What's black do?
He'll put you when you stand still for 2 seconds.
Okay.
I'm just gonna wait at the portal. Actually, is there any chests or anything, or are they all gone?
Trying to look for some. Oh, there's one there. Oh, there was one there.
What do I want, the gate or the snow globe? I don't know. I mean, I have orange.
I bet this time slowdown one.
Is that
Clock.
the pocket watch?
Yeah.
Got it.
Don't forget to use it.